Ready to unlock the power of Adobe Creative Cloud without that pesky credit card? Alright, let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and head to Adobe.com. This is where all the magic begins. Click the free trial option. You'll typically find the free trial button prominently displayed now. Adobe offers free trials for individual apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro, or if you want the whole shebang, look for the All Apps option, which gives access to the full suite during your trial. Next, you will be prompted to either create an Adobe account or log in if you already have one. If you don't have an Adobe ID yet, go ahead and make one. Provide your email address, create a strong password, and fill in the required details. During the sign-up process, you might see a field asking for your credit card information. This is where a workaround comes in. Often, the credit card requirement isn't super strict. Adobe may simply ask for it as a default. However, if you look closely, you might find an option to skip this step. It varies slightly depending on your region and the exact trial terms at the time. So always pay attention to the wording. If there is no option to skip, that means you probably will not be able to get the free trial without a credit card. Once you've successfully signed up without a credit card, the download and installation process will begin now. Go ahead and install the Adobe software of your choice. Now, you can start creating, explore the features, and unleash your creativity. Remember, the free trial period is usually limited, so make the most of it. So get creative, experiment, and have fun.